welcome to Homeschool. This is your class 10 Mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. We are in our chapter 13 Statistics. This is your second session. We are going to start now our exercise. Yeah, exercise 13.1. First problem. A survey was conducted by a group of students. What is that? A survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. What is this problem shows us? There is a survey which is conducted by students. What is the survey? In order to create environment awareness program. What did they do? The students went to some houses and they have collected a list of data. How many plants are there in first house, second house or third house? Like this, they have collected the raw data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses. They have collected the data from 20 houses. What did they ask us? They asked us to find the mean number of plants per house. What is the data they have collected? You can see here. Number of plants. Class interval given. 0 to 2 plants. How many houses are there? 1. One house. Plants are in between 0 to 2. 2 to 4 plants. In 2 houses. 2 houses. They might be having one house. They might be having 2. Or one house they might be having 3 plants. Or they might be having 4 plants. And the class interval is 2 to 4, 2 houses. And one house, 4 to 6. What is this 4 to 6? Number of plants. 5 houses, 6 to 8. 6 houses, 8 to 10. 2 houses, 10 to 12. 3 houses, 12 to 14. How many houses they have done the survey? Total 20 houses. Let us add the frequency and check whether it is right or wrong. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. Yes, I will write sigma Fi is equal to 20. Now, we have a class interval. We need to find the class mark. How can you find class mark? Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Let's find this first. Then I am going to say you what are all those formulas. 0, 2. 0 plus 2 it will be 2. 2 by 2, 1. Now 2 plus 4. Add children, 2 plus 4, 6. 6 by 2, 3. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 by 2, 5. See here how we are getting middle number. 0 and 2 middle number is 1. 2 and 4 middle number is 3. 4 and 6 middle number is 5. So directly we can write off this. Next number will be 7, 9 and it will be 11 and here 13. These are called as scores, you can say. What is this? Scores. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Now, what all you remember in statistics introduction? We are going to find mean. Mean, how many methods we have? There are 3 methods. First one, direct method, assumed mean method, step deviation method. Children, select your own method. If they give here, do the mean by using particular method. If they give you, you go with that method. If they did not give you any method of your choice, right? Any of the method of your choice. So, one may select direct method, another may select assumed mean method, and other may select step deviation method. Suppose if I do direct method, who are interested to do in other method, they feel that their method is not there. So, let me do all the 3 methods in my video, right? So let's see first one, direct method. What all we need? What all we need here for finding mean? Arithmetic mean. X bar is equal to summation fi xi by summation fi. So look here, what we got? Summation fi already we got. By 20. Now next, what do we need? Summation fi xi. Sum of fi xi. Understand here carefully, fi xi multiplied. So we also need to multiply now. Let's multiply first, then we will find summation of fi xi. Then we apply in the formula, right? So I'm going to leave these two columns and then I go to the third column. Fi xi. Observe here, fi is this, xi is this. 1 ones are 1. 2 threes are 6. 1 fives are 5. 5 sevens are 35. 6 nines are 54. 2 elevens are 22. And 3 13s are 39. Okay, what did we do, children? Fi column, xi column multiplied. Right? Now, we need for formula summation fi xi. So, add all this. Summation fi xi is equal to. Let's start adding. How to add? All units digit first. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 plus 4, 21. 23, 32. Okay, 3 keep in mind. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. 162. To complete our direct method, this much table is enough. Only direct method you want to do, you can go with the fourth column, this one, and finish up, apply in formula, finish up your problem. Right? Direct method, x bar is equal to summation fi xi by summation fi. What is summation fi xi you got? 162. 162 by 20. Can you cancel? Yes. 2 tens, 2 81s. 81 by 10, you can write it as 8.1. What is the arithmetic mean of this problem? By direct method, we get it as 8.1. Children who are interested in doing direct method, your method is completed. 4 columns and your formula. Write the end up your problem with the statement mean number of plants per house is equal to 8.1. End up your problem. Now, who are interested to do in assumed mean method? Assumed mean method, what all we need extra? A. A is what? Assumed mean. Summation fi di. Di, deviation. How do we get deviation? Xi minus A, we are going to get the deviation. Multiply fi di and apply in formula. Now, next column, I just go with di xi minus A. What is the deviation? Xi minus A. Before doing this column, we should know what is A. Where do we select A? In scores. In xi column, you need to pick any one score as assumed mean. Better try to pick the middle score. How many scores you have? 7 scores you have. So let us take this as assumed value. Let us take 7 as assumed value. Now, xi minus A. Calculate deviation. Xi 1 minus A value is 7. 1 minus 7 minus 6. Next one. 3 minus 7 minus 4. 5 minus 7 minus 2. 7 minus 7 0. 9 minus 7 2. 11 minus 7 4. 13 minus 7. How much it will be? 6. Right? Only this number if you written also, no problem. If you continue complete also, no problem. Now, next column. What will be the next column? Summation Fi Di I want. Summation I want means first I need to find Fi Di. Write the column here. Fi Di. See, observe carefully. This is Fi. This is Di. Multiply these. 1 into minus 6. Minus 6. 2 into minus 4. Minus 8. 1 into minus 2. Minus 2. 5 into 0. 5 into 0. 0. 6 into 2. 12. 2 into 4. 8. 3 into 6. 18. Okay. Now we need to add all these. But you have a negative sign, no? How you can add? All negatives you add and all positives you add. In positive sum, you subtract this. Okay. Now let's see here. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 18, 38. Minus. Add all this and take negative sign. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 38 minus 16. That is summation Fi Di is equal to 22 is your answer. Yes? Yes or no? How we are going to add all this? All positive values and all negative values you are going to add, then subtract. You are going to get the summation of Fi Di. Now go to the formula there. X bar is equal to A. What is your A assumed value? 7. 7 plus summation Fi Di. Summation Fi Di is how much? 22. By summation Fi already there. 20. If you want, you can cancel 2 11s, 2 10s. And this will be 7 plus 1.1. That will be 8.1 is your answer. Both the answers are same. This also will be same. Let's go with the step deviation method. See, children who are interested to do an assumed mean method, yeah, problem also completed. How we are going to complete? Class interval, frequency, score, deviation, Fi Di. You doesn't need Fi Xi. Okay, Fi Di column if you have taken, that is enough for you. Let's start with your third method, step deviation method. What is the formula? X bar is equal to A plus summation Fi Ui by summation Fi into H. What we need? We know A. We know summation Fi. We need to find Fi Ui and H. What is H? See the class size. 0 and 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 is the class size. You can write, here you can write A is equal to 7 and H is equal to 2. In your notes, carefully write assumed mean is equal to 7 and H is a class size that equal to 2. What's your next column? Ui is equal to Xi minus A by H, or you may write it as Di by H also you can write. Okay, directly we can divide the number by 2. Already we found Di. Here, there, this value you divide by 2, you are going to get Ui. Let's do that. Minus 6 by 2, minus 3. Minus 4 by 2, minus 2. Minus 2 by 2, minus 1. 0 by 2, 0. 2 by 2, 1. 4 by 2, 2. 6 by 2, 3. Ui column is completed now. Now, Fi, Ui you need to multiply. Observe here, this is Fi and this is your Ui. See, observe carefully when you are multiplying numbers. Suppose any one number interchange, your problem goes wrong. 1 into minus 3. It will be minus 3. This is FIUI. FIUI. 1 into minus 3, minus 3. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Next one. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 5 into 0, 0. 6 into 1, 6. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 3, 9. Almost table is almost completed with one pending column there here. So now we are going to sum up all FIUIs. Add all this. How you are going to add? Same technique. All positives you add, subtract these negatives. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 minus 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. All are negative, so take minus 8. 19 minus 8, it will be summation FIUI is equal to 11. Summation FIUI is equal to 11. Substitute in the formula. A value is 7. Summation FIUI value is 11. Summation FI value is how much? 20. Put the brackets into 2. Now, look here. 2 tens are 20. What is 11 by 10? I may write it as 7 plus 11 by 10, 1.1. 7 plus 1.1, it will be 8.1. Observe here, by all the three methods, you got the same mean value, that is 8.1. Therefore, mean number of plants per house is equal to 8.1 is your answer. This is the average count we got. Right? This is the method we are going to do for all the problems. If they ask you to calculate mean, these are all the formulas. Any one formula you can select. Which method did you use for finding the mean and why they asked? So children, which method you are going to select and why you have selected that, you need to answer for that. And in exam, don't try to do all the three methods. Any one method of your choice you can do. Now, by seeing the first problem, some children might have felt little difficult. How could I do? What are all the steps? First, which one I need to do? These are all you may get the doubt, right? So, I'm going to give you easy steps to remember how to solve these methods. Easy steps. Or how we have done stepwise, I have written here. Direct, assumed, step deviation. If you do in direct method, what you need? Formula you write first. X bar is equal to summation Fi xi by summation Fi. When class interval given, I am going to take all the problems with class interval. If class interval given, okay, second column F will be given for you. Now, you need to find the class mark, that is the score. Xi you need to find third column. Okay, next step, add all the frequencies and say summation Fi. In this formula, summation Fi completed, I need summation Fi xi. For that, you just multiply Fi xi. You need to sum all the values in Fi xi and write summation Fi xi is equal to what value you got, that one. Now directly apply in the formula. With this, direct method will be completed. Once again, let's see the steps. Class interval, frequency will be given for you. You need to find the class mark. Xi you need to calculate and add all the frequencies and say summation F. And your next step, Fi xi multiply. Add all the values in that column and say summation Fi xi. X bar is equal to summation Fi xi by summation Fi. Second method, assumed method. In assumed method also same manner. Class interval will be given, frequency will be given. So next step, class mark or a score, xi you need to calculate. Next, summation fi. After this, what we need to do? Here you need to find extra d you need to find. In xi, find a. In xi column, find assumed value. Okay, you need to find one assumed value. A you find. After finding A, find the deviation xi minus A. What's the formula? X bar is equal to A plus summation fi di by summation fi. A we got. Next what we need? fi di. Di means deviation xi minus A. Next, multiply frequency and deviation. Now add that column, what you got? Summation fi di. Apply in the formula, your method will be completed. Next, step deviation. In this method, same your problem, class interval, frequency will be given. What you need to find? xi. Next, summation fi. These 4 steps are common in all the 3 methods. Now in this, in xi, find assumed value. Okay, find assumed value A. After finding A, here your formula will be x bar is equal to A plus summation fi ui by summation fi, this into h. Not whole equation, only this part into h. H is a class size, right? So here, after this if you want, you can find h. A you know, h you know. Now next what you need? Ui needed. Ui calculate. Ui is xi minus A by h you can write, or directly deviation by h also you can calculate. Either of the formula you can write, children. Ui is equal to xi minus A by h or di by h. Next, we need fi ui. Summation needed, no? First multiply fi ui 2 columns and then add the values in that column. Summation fi ui and apply in the formula, you are going to get the value b. Today we have started our first problem, statistics. When we start, you should not get any doubt. You should clarify your doubts today itself. It means all the steps you should be perfect. Then rest of the problems will be easy for you. If you know one problem, you can go with all problems in that exercise. You can proceed, right? When you can proceed, if you are perfect with all these steps. So let's go through once again with the steps. Direct method, class interval, frequency will be given for you. You are going to find xi. After finding xi, you are going to add all the frequencies. Summation fi. Fi xi. Then next, summation fi xi. Mean formula for direct method, x bar is equal to summation fi xi by summation fi. Assumed method, class interval, frequency will be given. You are going to find xi, summation fi. You need extra A value here. So in xi score, middle one value you take it as A. Right? Then deviation di is equal to xi minus A, fi di, summation fi di. Mean formula for assumed mean method is x bar is equal to A plus summation fi di by summation fi. Last one, step deviation method. Class interval, frequency will be given. Xi you are going to find. Summation fi. You know already A now. Cut. In xi, Middle value you are going to consider it as assumed value A. After finding A, you need to see the class size and say H. Ui is equal to xi minus A by H you can do, or D by H you can do. Complete that column. Then Fi into Ui. Then add all the values in that column. Summation Fi Ui. And apply in the formula. X bar is equal to A plus summation Fi Ui by summation Fi into H. Today in this session, we have solved only one problem, but children, please be perfect with all the steps. So we have done one problem in all the three methods. Today you can understand all the three methods, be perfect, and then if you are able, you can try the next problems. Keep on practicing these all statistics problems, and one request from my side, please don't use calculator. Your hand and mind calculators is a fast calculator than your calculator. Please don't use calculators. You do all the calculations with your hand itself. Right? Thank you all. In our next session, we are going to meet with the next problem.